Byddwch chi'n cerdded mewn fan hyn yn dilyn y seithau. You'll be following the arrows. A nawr, os ydych chi yn yr adran babanod, byddwch chi'n mynd mewn trwyddo'r infants. Yn os ych chi yn yr adran iau, ewch chi trwyddo y ffordd hyn. So mae fel rhyw fath o dual carriageway gyda ni. We've got a dual carriage system. A mae llefydd i diheintio ym mobman. We've got places to sanitise. So ochr hyn, juniors, a mae dros 20 yn yr ysgol. So ni'n cerdded lawr fan hyn. A falle yn y babanod, you'll be sanitising here. A lawr yn ni. Lawr. Ges i tym bach o oops moment fan hyn. So, lle arall. Another place here. A wedyn, pam ti'n dod i'r côn felyn, when you come to the yellow cone, now then, yr adran iau, you'll be going through this way. So years 3, 4, 5 and 6, you'll be going through here. And your teacher will be waiting for you here. Now then, if you're in the cyfnod sylfaen, if you're in the infants, byddwch chi'n mynd y ffordd hyn. You carry on. A wedyn, mae'r station arall fan hyn, i diheintio, you've got another sanitising station here. Mae rai ar y wal, draw fyna hefyd. Nawr ten, if you're in Mrs M's class, with Mrs Fowler, or Mrs Davis, Mrs Victoria Davis, or Miss Katie Davis, you'll be going in through this way. There you go. And you'll be walking in that way, and your mummies, rieni, you'll be walking out following those arrows. Now then, if you are in Miss Nicolane's class, ni'n mynd ar siwrne. We're going on a journey. Dosbarth Miss Nicolane, this is the way we go. Nawr te, mae Miss D'Angelo wedi bod yn really clever yn neud hwn. Lot yn well na Mrs Kenny. So you follow the path. Follow the magic, follow the yellow brick road. Right, ac wedyn ni'n dod fan hyn a byddwch chi'n mynd mas y ffordd yma. You'll be going in and you'll be coming out this way. So your mummies and daddies, you'll be coming in through here. You'll be sanitising your hands inside. And mummies and daddies, a big favour, will you carry on walking out then this way? System un ffordd, we've got a one-way system. The gate will be open for you. And that's it through there. So, ni'n edrych ymlaen I weld chi. Nawr ten, hwyl fawr am y tro.